Welcome back to the Azure Files. How you doing, Matt?
Good, and you?
Good. Hey, I like the t-shirt.
Yeah, so it's
Star Wars.
No, it's Space
Invaders.
Yeah. There's only one issue I've got with this shirt.
I've noticed that 0 credits, yeah?
There's 0 credits.
Okay, so if you move to CSP, guess what? You get that changed.
So you switch to CSP. Okay, that's a good one.
So I was actually thinking, so last week we covered the question about should I wait for the data centers to arrive before I move over? I think we should follow on and actually talk about maybe what the migration process is. Maybe you're currently in Azure, in one of the regions, and you want to move into the South African region. What that process would be, and how easy is it to actually do?
Yeah, so I mean, that's always a question we get. We get this on a weekly basis, and I think we've done quite a lot of.
I think you've done a lot, because I know you as a migration ninja, because I think that's what you do mainly.
A lot of migrations. So yeah, I think what I can do is quickly just speak about the processes that we followed.
We just maybe cover the basics on what the guys should be looking out for, or how easy it is actually to do.
So what we've done is we've obviously developed a little bit of a process, and the process is as follows. Moving from one data center region to another region is something that we've done, and where we do this is we essentially recreate the entire Azure environment into the new data center. So like we would do it from America into Europe, we do exactly the same thing as we in the South African data centers. And the way we would do that is we'd use some of the Microsoft tool sets, like site recovery. So what site recovery would do is it would replicate and migrate like some of the virtual machine infrastructure into the brand new data center. And then once that is done, we'd obviously just switch it over. When we come more into the app server space, we just redeploy the config. And the beauty of it is that because we are in the cloud already, and the beauty of DNS is that when we do the name change, while it's busy propagating, some users will cut over to the new environment already, and they'll be experiencing a much faster ping speed and all of that kind of stuff. And the old server will just still run until there's no traffic coming through on that box, and then eventually we'll shut down and all the users will be seamlessly moved across to the new services and the new resources that we've deployed now in the new data center.
So I think now would be a good time. So if you moved into Azure, you probably use an infrastructure service. Would this be a good time to maybe relook at your environment and maybe move in as platform as a service?
100%. So I mean, look, there's always room, and depending on the availability and the time that we've got available, with obviously the client's environment, we can start looking at modernizing some of the applications and moving them to the as a service models. Essentially start moving the environment to more of a serverless computing type of model, because it does allow for a lot less administration. And I think that that's one of the biggest benefits in the cloud at the moment.
Cool. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that show. Please send us more questions, especially in regards to migrations. As you know, we have Matt, the migration ninja here. And as you know, we normally end off with the geeky fact of the week. And Victoria Grady, again, marketing general manager at Azure, actually in Cape Town said migration can cost 70% less than what they actually do with other computing services.
Which I think is very, very cool. Yeah. And thanks once again, guys, for watching. It really is cool. Please keep all your emails coming in. We are always excited to answer them. A lot of the migration stuff we will still be covering. And let us know if you have any questions regarding migrations. You're more than welcome to get hold of us. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.